All right, good morning. Harrison Painter here. This is AI and Coffee. So grab your cup. We're going to learn a little bit about AI this morning. So if you're catching this right now on Tuesday, it is July 21st. Right now, I'm over down the street in Launch Fishers leading an intro to Claude workshop. And honestly, that is where you should be right now. But I don't want to leave you hanging. So I am going to give you a tip today that I'm giving that workshop this morning. So grab that coffee and you are going to get a better Claude experience. But before that, I want to tell you about the new podcast I have coming out on Wednesday, which is July 22nd at noon. It's the AI Ready podcast. You can catch it over on LinkedIn. There's a LinkedIn Live of this. You can catch it on YouTube. A YouTube Live is going out. It's already up on Spotify and Apple, the audio version. And of course, it'll be on X, Instagram, Facebook, all by the end of the week. So you'll be able to catch it anywhere. And you're going to want to catch this episode because I interview Kathleen deLaski, higher education. I can't go higher really than her. I just went straight to the top here. She founded the Education Design Lab. She advises the Harvard Project on the Workforce, and she teaches AI at George Mason University. So it's going to be very interesting to get her perspective. And she wrote a book called Who Needs College Anyway? Kind of an odd title for somebody with her resume and background, but it's a great conversation and it ties right into something that I'm going to share right here today with you. You don't need a degree to learn AI. That's the truth about this. And Kathleen said it better than I can. And this is the main quote I took from the podcast. If you know how to use the internet, you can figure this out. You really can. There's no prerequisite here. You don't need a computer science background. I thought that when I started. I actually started studying Python and code and all these kind of very technical things. I don't really use much of it. I use a little bit of it, but not a lot of it. You don't need a permission slip to get started. All it takes is just a little push to begin, a $20 a month subscription and some creativity. So jump into that podcast. It releases again on Wednesday at noon on LinkedIn Live, on YouTube, and all those things. And I think it might be the push that you need to kind of unlock some things and really see the power that you have in these tools right in front of you. So, okay, here's your tip for the better Claude experience in the Claude app. I need you to go in your Claude app, go to your settings. So you'll go down to where it says your name and whatever plan you're on, things like that. Click on settings, and you'll notice there's a instructions for Claude box right there in the general. And I'll have a screen up here for you too. I'm going to give you wherever you're at, there's going to be a link to a document where you can copy and paste and put this into the chat so you can kind of get some of these answers, or you can have it interview you, but make sure that these instructions are filled out. Because when you jump onto the platform, it's always going to have this reference of you, so you don't have to retrain it, talk to it again, kind of get it reframed. It's going to have all this information in. It's going to know, like for me, I have about me, I have the audience I speak to, how I want it to work on my behalf. I have writing rules. I'm very strict with my voice and the writing rules that are on here. Different modes, whether I'm being authoritative or I'm being more inviting with the type of stuff that I'm doing. So I give it those global instructions, and no matter what I do within the Claude app, it's going to follow these global instructions. So I notice when I jump on a lot of apps with people, they don't have this filled out. This is the number one easiest thing you can do to improve your experience. So if you are struggling with that, you can just go into you're on home, you can go to new, make sure Cowork is checked, and you can just say, look, I am filling out my global instructions for Claude, interview me. And it will automatically do that, and you will be able to really have a great experience. So hopefully that helped. My name is Harrison Painter, and this has been AI with Coffee. Just go out and have a great day, because we're going to go further. We're going to go faster. I'm glad you're here. So good. See you tomorrow.